Jackman here, Chief of Chug Patrol. Are you ready to rescue? Join our squad, take control, and get ready to roll! Wilson is racing around a bend with his friends Koko and Brewster. Suddenly, they screech to a halt. Oh no! A fallen tree has derailed Harrison.
Oh, bumpers!
There are logs everywhere. Luckily, Chug Patrol is close by. We're always ready to rescue. Are you ready for your first Chug Patrol challenge? Chug Patrol are in control. Move the logs to clear the track. Good job! You've won a cleanup badge. Soon, Harrison is back on the rails. Wilson, Brewster, and Koko return to the depot. It's time for advanced training. Hanzo invites Koko to join Speed Fleet. Brewster is joining the Chuggineers. Zach, Fletch, and Tyne. Wilson gets... Brewster is joining the Chuggineers. Zach, Fletch, and Tyne. Wilson gets to be a Chug Patrol trainee. He hooks up to Chug Patrol 1. It's a claw car. Chug Patrol, are you ready to roll?
We are the Chuggineers!
Action. Catch red cars. Nice one. Good job.
Let's ride trails! Wowzer! Let's ride trails!
Nice work. You've won a wagon rescue badge. While Wilson plays with Chug Patrol 1, Koko and Brewster explore Rocky Ridge Mine. Uh-oh, did you hear that big rumble? Watch out for rocks falling onto the track.
Slow down, Koko!
Koko is going too fast. She hits a rock and crash. Oh no! Koko's in trouble. Chug Patroller, are you ready to rescue?
Go and get help, Brewster, quick!
Lights, please. Tap, Brewster. Nice one. Let's activate Chug. Help Wilson pull Koko to safety. That was close. Well done. You've won a mine rescue badge. Report. The trainees are safe, but very dirty. And Wilson was very brave. He's going to make a great Chug Patroller. It's time to get scrubbed up. If you want to be on our squad, you need to be clean and tidy. Chug Patrol, are you ready to roll?
Yay!
Tap the Chug Wash to start. Good job. That looks great. You've won a Chug Wash badge. Wilson takes a tour of Chug Patrol HQ. It's packed with gear. Then, it's off to Rocky Ridge Mine for training. It's a great place to fire flares.
Wowzer!
Flares are like fireworks, and they're just as dangerous. Chug Patroller, let's learn how to use them safely. Watch out, it's going to be loud. Action. Press the glowing button to fire the correct flare. Well done. Red means distress. Good job. Orange means danger. Great. White lights up an area. Good job. You've won a coloured flares badge. We're ready to roll. Some Chug Patrol are in control. In the forest, the Chuggineers show Brewster how to lay track. Chuggineer Fletch does the digging. Then Brewster makes the ground flat.
Honking horns!
Time lays the track. Then Zach welds it all together. You'll never see the cracks. Come on, let's help the Chuggineers.
We are Chuggineering!
First, good job. Now help Brewster level the ground. Nice one.
We are the Chuggineers!
We are the
Let's help
Chuggineers!
Zach weld the track. Great work! You've won a track laying badge. Hanzo teaches Koko how to be a high-speed chugger.
Arriving at Checker Junction. Doors opening. Watch your step, please. Be like a shadow, Koko.
Koko watches closely. Speed Fleet chuggers need excellent control, smooth braking, and extreme speed. Let's show Koko how it's done. Are you ready?
Train-tastic!
Tap the flashing stop sign. Nicely done.
Greetings.
Let's go again.
Train-tastic!
Great. Let's have another try. Watch out, Speedy. Try again. Good. One more go.
Greetings.
Train-tastic!
Fantastic! You're right on time. You've won a speed thief badge. Hanzo is waiting for Emery. Emery's late, so he hurries through Longload Tunnel. The track is flooded. Emery needs to be careful.
Proceeding with caution.
Emery hates getting his wheels wet. Out of the tunnel, he heads downhill. Oh no! Emery's brakes have failed. Action! Immediate rescue, Chug Patroller!
I'm in. Uh-oh.
Help Emery.
Brakes, don't fail me now. Uh-oh.
Hanzo is puzzled. Emery is always on time. Missing Chugger alert! Wilson looks for Emery in the forest. He fires a flare up into the air.
Emery! Where are you?
Emery honks his horn. Wilson follows the noise. There's Emery! Chug Patrol 1 can't reach him. We need Chug Patrol 4, the stretch car. Are you ready to rescue? Action.
Oh, great.
Let's get to work. Tap and hold. Now. Let's lower him. Great work, Chug Patroller. You've won a lift rescue badge. Wilson can't wait to tell Koko and Brewster all about the rescue. He thinks being a Chug Patroller is perfecto. We're Chug Patrol and we're in control.
Perfecto!